Hello everyone. This is the trading team at Trade Oxygen back here. So welcome to another pre-market analysis. This is for the Tuesday, the 2nd of October 2024 for the micro mini NASDAQ index futures. So let's start with the economic calendar. So you could see at the moment it's 9:25 a.m. in the New York time, and there's 5 more minutes for the market to start. So this is a pre-market analysis. So you can see at 8:15 there was high impact news released, and you can see it's positive for the USD, which means it's slightly negative for the stocks. So there is some medium to low impact news as well. So because of this high impact news, we can expect some volatility in the market to happen. So with that, let's have a quick look into the daily chart. So in the daily chart, you can see overall the price is bullish, and you can see it came to a key fair value gap, key level. So because of that, we can see the price is having a slight retracement. You can see the price was sitting here for a while, then it break this swing high over here. So from here, so because of that, so we could do it like in this way as well. So if I just delete this, okay, one could look at this as, you know, one attempt like to break this swing high, right? And you could see like there's a price gap here as well, like just a minor halt, and then a huge push up breaking this swing high, right? So the price is still bullish, and the price wait here for a while and then clear the imbalance. And now basically what the price is doing is it's kind like retracing. So this is the high level picture. So overall, basically what we are seeing here is a bullish stand of the price, okay, overall, and then the retracement. So this price over here, yesterday's price took off sell side liquidity down here, down these candles. So because it took the sell side liquidity, now we got two things could happen. One is, okay, if I just stop it here, right, and two things could happen. One is that, okay, the price could come and fill this gap over here. You can see there's a price gap. So one chance is the price to do this. The other option is, like, if you look from this point here, because it break the price from here, a huge push up. So order block, the last candle here, so this black one, so the order block is there. So one could think, okay, the price pushed up so that it came down, so then if you look at a fib retracement, it's below 50%. So because of that, one could think the price is going to continue the bullish trend likewise. So the daily bias is 100% not clear, so we have to keep in mind both the options. So when the daily bias is not 100% clear, what we have to do is we have to go to the low level and see how the market is behaving at the low level time frames. So with that understanding, if we go to the 1 hour chart, right, so let's see in the 1 hour chart we can see yesterday price came down all the way. So overall, so here also you can see the price came down, retracement likewise. So overall, and then price came up. So if the fib, if you look at from here to here, the fib retracement, the price reached 50% of the fib retracement. So this is around 50%. And after that, you can consider this as a, okay, like in the retracement. So if you consider this leg down, then from here to here it's a retracement. In that retracement leg, you can again, if you look, there's a sub retracement here, like within this leg. and you could see the price tried to push up but was unable to do so. Then price, let's say, came down, and now the price came down over here, and you can see there's some relatively equal loss, and now the price push up. Basically, when over here it cleared some sell side liquidity down here, and now when the price came up it cleared some buy side liquidity. So you will see it clearly in the 15-minute chart. So at the moment the price is sitting here. So okay, so when you look at the 1 hour chart, well, one option is for the price. You can see it cleared some sell side liquidity right now here. We'll come into that in the 15-minute chart. One option is from here for the price to, you can see in the price leg down, it made a 15-minute fair value gap price imbalance. So one option is for the price to go and fill that imbalance over here, and then to go further down and clear this sell side liquidity. So that is one possible option. So overall, when you look here now, this is a 15-minute chart basically. Now I'm back in the 1 hour chart, and so looking over here, looking at the daily chart, the price could either go up or down. Then looking at the 1 hour chart, you can see there's a chance in the 1 hour chart where the price can go and fill this 15-minute fair value gap. So we have to keep that in mind. And once it fills, it could come down. But then when we look at the 15-minute chart, right, we can see, looking at the 15-minute charts, if I delete these drawings, so we have to now see now the market started. Now the time is 9:30. You can see over here live market. So what could happen here? So in over here, if we just expand the price a little bit, what we can see is the price has cleared over here. Price has cleared. If you look from here, the price in the London, just before the London session, it took off the sell side liquidity down the Asian. So this cleared the Asian loss. So sell side liquidity is taken, which made the price to move up. And after London, before the New York start, this is the 8:30 yellow color. Before 8:30, the price took the London loss, right? So if we look here, I might have to just scroll down a bit just to see. You can see from here to here, it has taken the sell side liquidity down here. The price has slightly moved down. So I just wanted to have a look at that. So let's again revert back to where we were in the price action over here like this. Okay, so let me delete this. So what's happening is, you can see the price is playing. So it took liquidity down here, and then it went and grabbed liquidity above London highs at 8:30, right? So it break the London highs, and now the price is sitting here. So what sort of a entry we could think of? So one possibility is that the price has taken the sell side liquidity down here. So we need to go to the low level charts and see, and to see if the price is willing to move here. If so, one of the possible trade entries would be a long entry. I'm just hypothetically showing long entry, where you could take a long entry and reach this price imbalance over here. So that is one possibility. However, we have to keep an eye to see, because it has reached 50%, whether, because there is sell side liquidity residing down here as well. So we need to see if the price is trying to go down further down as well. So If their sell side because their sell side liquidity there, maybe the price might do a small price move and further come down and clear the sell side liquidity. So those are the possibilities. So we will stop this recording now, but we will give you a live recording as well and a post market analysis after this. Until that, stay safe.